Hello and welcome back to the Copilot series. And in the last two videos, you are going to learn how do you create your own workflows using Copilot. That means if you have something that happens regularly at work, then you can try to automate that using Copilot agents. So let's see how do you create your custom agents and how that is going to help you day in and day out at work. Now, when we go to Microsoft Copilot, right, we have a few agents like researcher, analyst, idea coach, and so on and so forth. But let's go to workflows, which is frontier, where we can create our own workflows. Okay. Now let's assume I want to create a workflow where whenever I get a new email, it will summarize the email and send it to me on Teams. So I'm going to give a prompt where I say, whenever I get a new email, summarize the email and send it to me on Teams, right? So I'll hit enter and it will build this workflow for me. Let's wait. Okay, so this is the trigger when a new email arrives, which is Office 365 Outlook. Then we have the AI prompt, summarize email content. So this summarizes the subject and body of the new email and when a new email arrives into a concise summary with key points. The summary should be clear and suitable for sharing in the Teams message. Next one is Microsoft Teams. Send summary to Teams chat. Okay, so we have the details over here. Now, if you feel that this is good enough, you can click on save. If you want to make any changes, you can go here and ask for any changes. I'll click on save and let's test this out. So when you click on save, you should be able to see this green ticks, which means everything is correctly configured. Okay, and now once you finish all of this, you can click on test, which is when it goes into the test mode. Okay, let me send an email. So I'm going to send a dummy email from another inbox, right? So I'm adding the subject. I'll show you what the email is about. Just give me a minute and I'll send it to this particular email, which we are using here. So this is the email that I'm going to send, right? We have the subject here. Of course, let's make this as project Himalayas. Okay, and we have dear team, I hope this email finds you having a productive week. Okay, executive summary, key milestones and recent achievements, and some dummy details. Okay, so I'm going to click on send. So it is sent from there, and you see that this has come in. I'll go here. This should kickstart in a few seconds. It'll take a short while. And you can see this has got done. It is going to testing now, right? 5.2 seconds. And this should also be done in a few seconds. Okay, so this has taken around 48.4 seconds. Let me go back to Teams. And if you go to workflows, right, you can see here, Project Himalayas is currently in the current phase. We didn't fill those details. Phase and is on track at risk delay. The team has cleared initial hurdles and is focused on delivering the main deliverable with a revised schedule. Okay, so all the details have been taken into consideration and we have got the summary of it. Now you might say, Ritesh, but I don't want to get all the emails. I want specific emails, right? So let me go to Workflow Frontier. So this time I'm going to give a prompt, something like this. So this time I'm going to specifically mention, whenever I receive an email by support@fix7.com, summarize the email, also include the email of the sender and send a message to me in Teams. Okay. Now it need not be just one email. You can have multiple, and that's when this particular thing will make sense. Okay. So I'll hit enter. And you can see that it started building the workflow. Let's wait for it. So step 1 done, step 2 is done, and step 3 is also done. I'll click on save. This is ticked, this is ticked, this is ticked. And we should have the option of testing very soon. I'll click on test and I'm going to send the first email from somewhere else, not this particular email ID. And let's see what happens. So here I'm going to say support@bizme.io and let me add the subject, some dummy thing, weekend activity, location. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this for the weekend. Yeah, you name your title. So I'm just going to copy paste. Again, we have a lot of dummy details here and there, right? So that's completely fine, I think. See you there. My name is Ritesh. Okay. So let me send this email. I'll go here. We'll just make this as red so that we can see the new email when it comes. Of course, it will take some time. And you've got this particular email. You've got this. Let me go back to this particular thing. We're still in the test mode and this is not run. Now, I'm going to send an email from support@red7.com to support@bizmate.io, right? And you can see now I'm sending the email from support@red7.com and the subject is testing particular email. And here I've specifically mentioned that with the recent push to ABCD, we decided it is time for a well-deserved break to recharge and celebrate our progress. Okay, so this is the email that I'm going to send. And let's come back here. I'll mark this as red. Let's wait for a few seconds. You see that I've got it. I'll go back here and you should see that this will begin in a while. And there you go. So step 1 is triggered. Step 2 has finished. Step 3 is going on. And if I go back here, you should see here coming up. The email announces a team outing planned for next weekend to celebrate recent efforts, especially the ABCD project. The itinerary includes meeting at 10 a.m., transport arrangements, arrival at the venue by 11 a.m., buffet lunch at 12:30 p.m. with various dietary options and so on and so forth. Let's quickly check. Is that what we had sent? Yes. 10 a.m. meeting point, 11 a.m. arrival at location, 12:30 lunch, a buffet lunch, and 2 p.m. activity and so on and so forth. Right? So this is how you can automate the process of getting the summary of an email. Okay, it could be specific person or it could be bunch of them as well. Now tell me, if you are able to build something like this at work, will you save tons of time or not? Now, don't keep this secret to yourself. Share it with your colleagues, friends, and family. I hope you are enjoying this series. We have one last video coming up tomorrow, and that will be even more powerful. So do not miss it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.